Austin, thanks so much for joining us on Modular Minute. Austin, you're a salesperson here at Panel Built, so you specialize in panelized structures, mezzanines, and clean rooms, right?
Yep, that's correct.
I wanted to talk to you about clean rooms today. I think you just did a project up with Jake Reynolds in Pennsylvania, right?
I did for a company called BioCoat.
Now, tell me about what makes a clean room a clean room.
So a clean room is a room that's a controlled environment where pollutants like dust, airborne microbes, aerosol particles, they're all filtered out inside the room through a series of filters. There's different classes of clean rooms, just depending on what application they're for.
How would I know if I needed a clean room in my space?
Typically clean rooms, they're used pharmaceutical industry. Some factories, with certain products had to have clean rooms to manufacture them in. It's usually a very specific application where clean rooms are used.
So Austin, tell us about this clean room that you did with Jake Reynolds up in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so this clean room, it was a very specific application. It was a class 10,000 clean room, so it wasn't too extreme. It was pretty large. And so I helped Jake Reynolds with the design of the room itself, and then helped him out with some of the filtration needs for this. This room had internal columns, and so we actually took wall panels and wrapped these columns to create a chaise, which is where the air is filtered up through and pushed back through with HEPA blowers through our filters to make the clean room environment.
Awesome, and thanks to Jake Reynolds for these awesome pictures that you guys are looking at right now. And thanks to Austin for sitting down and talking with us.
Absolutely, thank you.